It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and I am at Planter's Paradise in El Cajon to buy a couple of urns for the Encinitas job. And look what Santa brought. Oh my word. Now I have to admit that I have grabbed, well, my gosh, I grabbed some cool stuff, but there's so much more. The prices are insanely reasonable too. These are plants that you're just not going to find anywhere. They're the most amazing one-offs. So, Planter's Paradise in El Cajon. I would encourage you to get down here ASAP, as these aren't going to last long. You can buy a little, you can buy a lot. You know, and in addition to all of these insanely beautiful plants, of course, we have Talavera for days and every kind of pot you could possibly ask for. He's restocked also on his top dressings. So you'd be all set. Look at these monkey tails, 19 bucks. Insane. So cool. I went ahead, Astrophytum, love the little Pachypodium gayi. The spiralis isn't going to last long. I grabbed one of these. I'll show you what I got. So I got me a Gymnocalacium, a spiralis, look at that, 69 bucks. And this adorable phallus. Can you even? Look at this. Look at that.
My mother could be watching this.
I hope so. Look at the little balls. Is that the cutest? Right? Had to have that. So, yeah, walk or run, don't walk, right? Come on down to Planter's P. Get your plants and pots on, guys. Love ya. Bye. Back from Roberts, and it's day 3 of a 4-day in Encinitas. I know. 4 days, you're gonna finish this tomorrow? And the answer is a resounding absolutely. Greg has been working all day on stringing lights. So what we want to do on the day before we wrap a project is get them all in so that they can be turned on tonight after dark. The client can look at them and determine if they want more, less, if they need to be, tweaked or configured. Then oftentimes we'll have the client take a little video, or just, if it's good, just tell us it's great. Then we'll come back in tomorrow and we'll be trenching and burying lines, stapling. You see we have all of our irrigation worked out too. All of our plants that need irrigation are ringed. We still have to trench and bury, staple and bury. I have Mel and Kevin working out some tapestry over here. I've got 3 presentations of tapestry in this section of the garden. This is just a little cooler right here, partially just because of the exposure, but also because of the big sycamore trees. This stays a little cooler. So the tapestry felt real good in this area here. Another little hack for you guys is, this is really hard ground. I mean, really hard, between all of the roots from the neighboring trees, and just, it's hard. So rather than kill ourselves trying to dig down to bury, what we'll do is just basically take the trench shovel, run through it, we can only get down about 1 inch, but we'll get down about that inch, we'll staple, and then we'll come behind with some topsoil. Yeah, and sprinkle topsoil on top. So see how this line is buried? Because we just cheated and ran topsoil over it. Because after this we're coming in with a couple inches of top dressing rock too. So that's one way that you can cheat having to bury your lines if they're really, really tough to bury. Love, love, love me this area back here, the shady corner. We ended up bringing in some bagged Kellogg soil so that we didn't have the cherry on top situation here around the Kalanchoe. Just mound it up, spread out the soil a little bit more to make it look more natural. Put a Petalanthus bracteatus in the corner here, and an extremely aggressive cactus against the fence, which we're hoping will discourage interlopers. So that's that. Then we added a little Pilosoceras here. I've got one in the pot in the back corner and on the porch as well. We still have about 3/4 of a basket of rubble to throw down. You can see that we have trenched out around this utility box, and we'll have our master dry stacker Kevin come in tomorrow after we're sure that this light is in a good spot, and he'll do a beautiful little low-key dry stack around this utility box. Oh yeah, it's really starting to come together. Yes, let's take a look at, oh, and then here, I'll be throwing down more rubble, but this is hot, and that is hot. So I wanted this more of a desert vibe here. I didn't want to go wacky with all of the tapestries and soft stuff here. So this is tougher in the more restrained area of the garden. Then let's check out Miguel's handiwork. Here are the urns that I bought at Planter's Paradise. The Bacarnia recurvatas were from Al's Botanic Wonders in Vista. They're so stinking cute. We did add a little Athona capensis and one of the sedums shooting stars from Oasis Water Efficient. These love the heat. So since this is so hot, I decided to choose things that would not only tolerate the heat, but thrive. So I also got these little cuties from Al's. It's a little balloon cactus and a little euphorbia, just for funsies. How cute is that, right? Yeah, and Miguel top dressed the pots beautifully. So yeah, I think our this area be done, and with the exception of obviously cleanup. Over here, this aloe ferox is actually for a Pasadena client. It'll be going with us up north next week. Our little blowout here on the driveway side has all been irrigated with micro. You can see here a little bit of the little micro line. That way we can get in real tight around these tapestries and make sure that everything is getting a drink. But see, this is also protected at the hottest part of the day too, which is very nice. Then I have some fun over here. I haven't finished staging my rubble yet, but I did get 1, 2, 3 tapestry presentations in, and this area under the magnolia is feeling really good to me. I'll be throwing down some more larger pieces of rubble. But yeah, I love it. This is great. I promised their neighbors that I would give them a little tapestry. You can see here where I'm going to need to do some rubble here and here to kind of shore up those plants, much like the way I did right there. Not only is it really visually interesting, but it does serve a purpose too. So yeah, we have drip connectors instead of hard lines, so that we're sure that this magnolia is going to get plenty to drink from all the outlying areas, because these feeder roots run all the way to the edge of the sidewalk. You don't want to ring irrigation right around the base of a tree. That's not where it intakes water. It intakes water around the canopy. So the roots, yeah, pretty much extend all the way through here. So it's going to be getting water from this entire drip system. I told them I would take care of this too. This Italian cypress is also dripped. And, ooh, it smells like Christmas. Is that better? Clean that up a little bit. Get off these cobwebs. And we left the little boxwood, but we took out all the crap that was underneath. And feeling pretty good. I think I'll put another big piece of rubble right here. This is feeling a little empty, but that's what I do tomorrow. You know, as the guys are burying lines, I'm finding empty spots, pulling in maybe one-off plants or big pieces of rubble or whatever it takes. Oh, it smells so good. Yummy. All right, so that's my story for today. We are burning through our tapestry plants very, very quickly. And just feeling really, really good. Oh, also you can see back here, I'll want to throw down some rubble too. See, every time I walk around, I just want to check it from every possible angle. And this feels empty to me. So I'll throw nice rubble pieces down in there too to kind of break that up. Okay, this has been day 3 of a 4-day in Encinitas. This has been Laura Eubanks with Team DFS. And if you can make it down to Planter's Paradise this weekend, if you're in the area, do it, because the plants are off the chain. Bye, guys.